Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two air fryer ovens, the Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven and the Gourmia air fryer oven. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. The Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven is priced at $169, while the Gourmia air fryer oven comes in at $89. If you're on a budget, the Gourmia air fryer oven is a great choice with a more affordable price point. When it comes to capacity, the Gourmia air fryer oven is the clear winner, with a larger 8-quart basket which can fit whole meals, perfect for families or cooking for large groups. The Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven is more suitable for smaller households, making it a great option if you're cooking for 4 to 6 servings. Both air fryer ovens have similar functions that allow you to cook a variety of foods. The Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven has 6-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The Gourmia air fryer oven has 12 one-touch digital presets, making it more convenient to cook a wide range of meals with ease. The Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven has a few standout features, such as the clear cook window that allows you to monitor cooking progress without opening the basket, the odor erase technology that removes cooking smells, and the even crisp technology that provides a perfect golden finish every time. The Gourmia air fryer oven has a fat removal technology that removes up to 90% of fat, making it a healthier option overall. So there you have it, our comparison of the Instant Vortex plus 6-quart air fryer oven and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both air fryer ovens have their advantages, from price point to special features. Depending on your needs, one air fryer oven may be a better option for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.